Today we're making these delicious white chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the cookies. So first, to your flour, you're going to add in your baking powder and baking soda. And then you're going to mix it all together and set the flour aside. In another bowl, you're going to take your butter and both the sugars. Beat this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once your mixture is nice and creamy, you're going to add in your egg and beat for 1 more minute. Then you're going to add in your creamy peanut butter and your vanilla extract. Beat this on high speed for 2 minutes till everything is well combined. Then you're going to add in your flour and beat on low speed just till the flour is nearly combined, which is just about a few seconds. And then you're going to add in your white chocolate chips and beat those in again just for a few seconds. And then you can switch to a spatula. Use the spatula to give the batter a final mix to make sure your cookie dough comes together. Your cookie dough should be nice and thick, just like that. And then you're going to cover this and refrigerate it for about 1 hour or more. This will ensure that your cookies remain nice and thick. And then you're going to line your baking tray with some parchment paper. And then I used a small ice cream scoop to scoop out the cookie dough, but you can even use about 2 tablespoons of the dough. And you're going to make small balls of it and roll it in granulated sugar. This is optional, but I really love how the cookies taste with the sugar on top. And then you're going to repeat this. Make sure to leave about 2 inches between the cookie balls. And once you're done, you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. You can also bake them for about 20 minutes if you want them to be a bit crispy, but I love my cookies when they're soft. And then you're going to let these cool on the counter for a while. After about 10 minutes, you can place them on a wire rack to cool completely. I love to eat them while they're still warm because I'm not patient and I really love how they taste right out of the oven. So here's me grabbing the first bite of the cookie. The cookie is nice and golden on the bottom and it's a bit crisp on the outside but chewy on the inside. It just melts in your mouth as well, and the peanut butter is just heavenly. These are nice and thick and they feel like you've just got them from the bakery, but they're homemade, and if you want to surprise your family and friends, you should definitely give these a try. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you with some more. Bye!